So my name is John Carlone. I'm the certified golf course superintendent at Meadow Brook Golf Club in Jericho, Long Island, New York. Now, my greatest experience with Nufarm is through the Excel program, which I was introduced through Mishka Wright from GCSAA. I've known Mishka for a long time. I've been a contributor to the Golden Tee Club and used to be called the Environmental Institute for Golf, and I went to the GCSA Foundation. I've been a contributor for a long time, and Mishka asked me several years ago to be involved with the Excel program, mainly as a judge of the applications and choosing people to get in. And then eventually I was able to attend GCSA headquarters in 2021, October of 2021. I was able to go there and speak to the group. The thing that's impressed me most about the Excel program is it's not a one and done program. These kids are in there for 3 years. They get multiple experiences to talk with their peers. So I think that's a very unique aspect of the Excel program, where some of the programs, it's a one little weekend and done, or 1, 2 day, 3 day thing and done. Whereas the Excel program, they get accepted into it for, I believe it's 3 years, and they get a multitude of experiences, different golf courses, GCSA headquarters, the GCSA show. I think of all the programs that are out there, I think it's the most valuable one because of that reason. Really was impressed when I went to GCSA headquarters in October of 2021 and got to meet the Nufarm staff and just their dedication to the program. They are really into this Excel program. It's really, really important to them, and it showed. You kind of think they're just, maybe before you're there and you know about it, you're judging the applications, you know it's there, but when you go there and see how involved and how excited they are to have this Excel program, that was very impressive to me. So I'll stay involved with it as long as Mishka and Nufarm will have me. I enjoy doing it. I've always enjoyed being a mentor. I have 7 former assistants that are out there as superintendents. So I've always enjoyed being a mentor. So this program allowed me to fit right into my desires to be a mentor like that. So I really enjoy it, and I'll be happy to stay involved with it as long as they'll have me.